Welcome back to OOP guideline. Basically, OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming, and it is a programming paradigm based on a concept of objects which may contain data in the form of fields, often known as attributes, and code in the form of procedures known as method, okay, or Python, C, C Sharp, C++, Java, or etc. These all are object oriented languages. I would like to discuss coming soon basic object oriented pillars, but now first of all point to object. What is object? That is the main focus. So the answer is very simple. Object is an instance of class, and that's it. Okay? So the next thing is, what is classes? What is class? A class is a blueprint of an object that contains variables for storing data and function to perform operation on the data. Or object oriented language, it is mandatory for representing data. Okay, now I'm going to implement it. First of all, create a class for car. Okay, now I'm going to type car. This is a car class. Okay, and the next thing is I created three properties: model, air, model, air, color. Now the next thing is I create a method. This is start method. Start method class. Now I'm going to create objects, and I'm creating multiple objects for this class. Okay, in class. Okay, that's first object, name car number 1. Create again a new object, car number 2. Now I'm going to create a third object, car number 3. That is very simple. 3 objects and 1 class. It means one class has many objects. That is simple. Thank you for watching for this video. I like you understand what I'm saying. Thank you so much.